Curious to know what's in store? Definitely check out our story section. So we welcome you back to Flags and Foods. A new day, a new place, a new taste.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. The three quirky clues. Clue number 1. This is the plastic surgery capital of the world. They do more per capita plastic surgery procedures than anywhere else. The double eyelid surgery is the most popular. That in itself is a clue. Clue number 2. They have a very lucky gene which causes their armpits not to sweat. If you land in this country without a deodorant, good luck finding one. Clue number 3. Even if you are born at the exact same time as that of a citizen of this country, that person will be 1 year older than you. The reason being, their age is recorded at 1 at the time of birth. The country is South Korea. I visited South Korea in 2014. South Korea is a country located in East Asia and offers the tourist a contrasting experience which combines 5,000 years of culture and history with cutting-edge technology, a thriving automotive and electronic industry, and a world-class infrastructure. South Korea top 5 attractions. 1. Seoul. South Korea's vibrant and pulsating capital is well known around the world since the time it hosted the Summer Olympics in 1988. Some of the must-visits while in Seoul are its 5 grand palaces built during the powerful Joseon dynasty, the main ones being Gyeongbokgung and Changdeokgung. The city also boasts a varied list of attractions from the impressive architecture displayed in the Seoul and Lotte World Towers to the cultural Bukchon Hanok village and several world-class museums. Also, don't forget to check out Blue House, the South Korean equivalent of the White House, and indulge oneself in the lip-smacking foodie scene offered by the capital. 2. DMZ. Former US President Bill Clinton called it the scariest place on earth, and why would it not be, considering that the DMZ, or the Demilitarized Zone, is a dividing line between South and North Korea, two countries which are still technically at war since the 1950s. This very fact makes DMZ one of the top tourist attractions. However, it can be visited only through an organized tour. While at the DMZ, one can get glimpses of the reclusive North Korea and can technically stand on its soil. 3. Jeju Island. Located off the southern coast of South Korea, it is also known as the Island of Gods. The popularity of Jeju Island with honeymooners and Instagrammers is reinforced by the fact that the air route from Seoul to Jeju Island is the busiest air route in the whole world. Some of its main attractions are the Seonggop Folklore Village, Glass Castle, which is a theme park that revolves around glass sculptures, and the odd and controversial Love Land, which is a theme park featuring romantic and adults-only attractions. 4. Busan. The second largest city in South Korea, Busan, is a major port and its coast is lined with beautiful beaches and resorts. Busan's main attraction is the Gamcheon Cultural Village, known as the Santorini of Korea for its colorful hillside houses overlooking the water. Also, don't miss its several Buddhist temples, the most popular one being the Byomyosa Temple. 5. Gyeongju. Gyeongju is a city which is more than 2000 years old and the ancient capital of the Silla Kingdom, and is famous for its temples and cultural festivals. The main places to visit are the Bulguksa Temple, Seoguram Grotto, and the Covered Market, a collection of vendors selling everything from Silla souvenirs to freshly made Korean delicacies.
Why are you holding chopsticks?
We are having Korean food today, right?
Yes, I'll come back to that. But if you want to portray the Korean way of eating, you're holding the wrong set of chopsticks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they use metal chopsticks and there's a story behind that. In earlier times, Korean kings and queens used silver chopsticks to detect if their food was poisoned, because silver changes color in reaction to toxins. And the people also then began to use metal chopsticks as a custom.
So, should I change this to metal chopsticks?
Not really, because the food we're preparing today does not need chopsticks. Today we are preparing a very simple yet extremely popular street food, the Gilgyori toast. The ingredients for Gilgyori toast are 4 slices bread, 4 eggs, half cup cabbage thinly sliced, half cup carrot thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons scallions or spring onions, 4 slices ham, 4 sliced cheese, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, ketchup, mayonnaise, butter. In a bowl, crack the eggs and mix well with salt and pepper. Combine the cabbage, carrot and spring onion. In a pan, melt butter and toast the bread until golden brown on both sides. Again, melt butter and add the egg veggie mix. Shape it to match the size of your bread. Cook this just until it turns slightly golden for about 3 minutes. Cook the ham. Sprinkle sugar on the toast. Place the egg to 1 piece of sweetened toast. Then place the ham and cheese. Top with ketchup and mayonnaise and add the remaining slice of bread. Serve immediately.
Hi Junior Food.
Hi Mr. Flag and hi to the viewers.
Ready for the 2 questions?
As always.
Question number 1. There is a martial art which originated in Korea, and I'll give you a clue. It uses only your legs.
Is it karate?
Now let me give you 4 options. Karate, Kung Fu, Judo and Taekwondo.
Judo?
No, the answer is Taekwondo.
Oh, okay.
Question number 2. When you take a photo here, the photographer normally says cheese, right?
Yeah.
What do they say in Korea?
I don't know.
Make a guess.
Naidi chawa?
There's nothing like that. They say kimchi.
Oh, I heard kimchi before. I just don't remember that it was cheese for Korean.
No, it is not cheese for Korean. It is a traditional popular Korean food. So let's say kimchi to the camera. Before that, you got to do a special symbol which the Koreans do. Like this. The heart symbol.
Okay.
Say cheese.
Kimchi!
Kimchi. Ja mugget samida.
Meaning, I will eat well.
Junior Food, verdict?
Two plus two!
Oh, thank you very much, Junior Food. I was pretty sure that Junior Food is going to give us an amazing rating, especially because the sandwich had all his favorite items: bread, cheese, ham, and eggs. People may be thinking why we presented a fairly simple sandwich for Korea. But if you ever get a chance to go to Korea, you will see that Gilgyeori sandwich is one of the most popular street food across Korea. If you don't believe me, just Google Gilgyeori sandwich and you can see the number of YouTube views that this particular sandwich gets. I'm not going to elaborate on the taste because we would love for you guys to try out this dish at home and post a photo and your comments below our video. In this era of Netflix and Amazon Prime, there won't be many people who do not know about the Korean entertainment industry. But there is one song which catapulted the entire K-pop scene into every household. Any guesses?
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
Guess that was fun. Now for the story of Gangnam Style. It was released in the year 2012 by the K-pop artist Psy, and it topped the charts in 30 countries. It was even recognized by the Guinness Book of Records for being the most liked video at the time. And presently, it's already hit 3.8 billion views in YouTube, with everyone from Barack Obama to Ban Ki-moon swaying to its beats. How many people know about the background of the song? It is associated with the Gangnam district of Seoul, which is known for its hip, trendy and lavish lifestyle. Psy actually in the video claims to be from the Gangnam district, but nothing associated with the video looks to be from there. In an interview, Psy actually clarified that people who are from Gangnam district never claim themselves to be from there. This song is actually making fun of the posers and wannabes who claim they are from Gangnam. Thanks to the song, the district of Gangnam has become a huge tourist draw in Seoul. Moreover, K-pop is bigger than ever before, with chart-topping names like Blackpink, BTS, Super M, Big Bang, to name a few. Apart from K-pop, the Korean movie industry is also a stellar performer over the last several years, culminating in the movie Parasite sweeping every international award in 2020. They have carved out a niche for themselves in the thriller, horror and zombie categories. Kamsahamnida viewers for tuning into this episode of Flags and Foods. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to press the bell icon.
We will be back next week with another signature dish from another stunning country. Till then, happy cooking and keep your travel dreams alive.
Oppan Gangnam Style.